Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is MSA. So I'm continuing on with my Ankara Inspired makeup series, and today's look is featuring a lot of bronzy colors, dark red, blue, and a little pop of yellow in my inner tear duct. And it's fun, it's so vibrant. I really love how it turned out. I look like I could be in some Afrocentric movie or music video. It's just such a shame that I'm at home and I'm just going to wash this off in another hour or two. But this was a whole lot of fun. If ever you are bored and you have nothing to do, just get your makeup out and just play for like an hour or so and see what you come up with. I think it's one of the best types of therapy. I always feel so much happier when I play with makeup. Anyways, if you guys want to learn how to create this look, please keep on watching and do subscribe if you want more makeup inspiration or if you just want to see my face a bit more. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was I put some translucent powder underneath my eye area, and it just protects the rest of my face from any fallout from the eyeshadows that I'm going to apply. And then I put a bit of this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This is the shade Caffeine. So I've just popped a little bit of that on my upper eyelids, and then I've used a blending brush just to blend it in so that we have a lovely smooth canvas for the eyeshadows. So first palette is my Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm using this dark red shade and a MAC 224 brush, and this is going to create my transition shade, which is the shade in between my brow bone and the main eyelid color. Also going to put some shadow on the outer third of my eye as well. I'm using a MAC 221 brush, and I'm just placing that right on the edge of that red shadow and very gently moving it back and forth just to blend it in so that there are no harsh lines. So to smoke out the red color a bit more, I'm using the Morphe Fierce by Nature palette and just this black eyeshadow. I'm using a fluffy Morphe brush for this, and just putting this on the outer third of my eye and also blending it in at the same time with circular motions and taking it slightly above my crease. Okay, so I'm happy with the intensity of that, so I'm going back in with the same MAC 224 brush. There's no extra product on this. I'm just using that to blend out the black just a little bit more so that there are no harsh lines. Time to cut the crease, so I'm just using a little bit of concealer. I'm just experimenting. I'm actually using, this is a craft paint brush. I'm using it because I don't quite have a brush that is thin enough to do this. So I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer first on my lid, then look all the way up, and that's giving me a little mark there so I know where to aim, like I know where to cut my crease. And then once you get sort of to the outer third of the eye, I'm just going to use my fingers just to blend that in. So there's a nice fade into the eyeshadow. Decided to change the shape of the cut crease a little bit because you know how it's sort of curving in this way. I want to make it a little bit straighter. Then for my main eyelid color, I'm using this bronze shade from the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity palette and just a plain shaded brush, and I'm just going to fill in that entire area where I put the concealer. Just look at that shade. It is just amazing. I feel like it has some glitter in it because it's just super reflective. Oh, love it. I'm using the same shade I used before in my crease and just a flat shaded brush, and I'm just patting that on just beside the bronze color so that it blends in nicely. And then just putting a bit more of that black color again, just to intensify that outer third. Time for some eyeliner. Just using my Inglot One Move liquid eyeliner. I hardly use anything else these days. Okay, I'm gonna go put on my lashes off camera and I'll be right back to continue on with the rest of this look. Okay, just getting rid of all the powder. So I watched Coming to America this weekend and it was fun. It was hilarious. I loved seeing all the Afrocentric outfits, the hairdos, the makeup. Yeah, they did a good job with that one. So in a way, this could very easily be a Coming to America kind of makeup look. Right, I'm gonna go in with this color, this blue shimmer, and I'm gonna apply that just with a pencil brush. Then just applying some mascara using my trusty L'Oreal Telescopic. Also putting some on my upper lashes just to blend them in with the falsies. For my inner tear duct, I'm using this palette by NYX, and I'm just going to use that bright yellow shade, and I'm applying it with just a pencil brush, just for a little extra pop. Yes. So to highlight, I'm just using that same bronze shade that I used all over my upper eyelid, and I'm applying this with a Crown C529 brush. This is going to be rather pigmented, so just using a very light hand to apply this. Right, time for some lipstick. I'm going to first line my lips with Rimmel's Brownie Pie lip pencil. I've actually got a little bit too much lip balm on my lips, so I'm just going to blot it to get rid of the excess. It just makes it a lot easier for the lip pencils to adhere to my lips. And for my inner lips, I'm using another lip pencil. This is by NYX. It's a suede liner called London. And I'm just going to put on the lip gloss by Rimmel. This is in the shade Oh My Gloss. I need a little bit of blush, so I'm going to use Fenty Mocha Mami. Just applying it with a Crown C522 brush. And I'm so excited to discover that Fenty has released a new bronzer that is darker than this one. So I just may have to go shopping and buy it. Just have to, you know, let's show my support. So we are getting there for bronzers for dark skin, bit by bit. Yes, so I'm just going to set my face as usual with my NYX finishing spray. Honestly, I am feeling like an African princess right now. I need to do a dance. Yes. All done and nowhere to go. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Makeup is therapy. I just feel really, really good right now. I just love the creativity that makeup just brings out of me, and I hope you guys feel that same joy. I just can't say it enough. Keep playing with makeup, keep on being creative, be inspired. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I look forward to creating another video for you guys very soon. All right, bye. Have an awesome day.